其实哦，我就是干公主来的，哎呦，很赖啊，姐姐可以看一下哦，就是看一下有几干，你看一下34.2的一个水分哦，下面就是22.9。
If there's a problem with the backlit, one of the LED is burnt, this is what you get. It's a flashing screen. It means that something needs to be changed at the back. So I have to take out this and I'll show it to you. Remove all screws, open the back panel, and remove all the screws at the side there. And flip this over to take out all the layers of sheets. Then we will look at what the problem is. Remove speakers and the panel here. But first we gotta unscrew everything. Made in Indonesia. Now we gotta unscrew everything. This is the circuit board that gave you the picture coming from the main board. So be very careful with this because it's attached to the black screen in front. And that black screen is not a protector, screen protector. It is actually providing you the picture from all these. It's like a sliding door. Just push it up and take it out. Yeah, gentle. Everything must be gentle. Costs a lot of money to buy a TV. Alright, that's done. Now we're going to test the LED. See the wires here? this wire goes to the backlit panel of the LED. So we're going to test this to see what's going on. Remove the frame so that you can take out the sheets. Slide this out, and I will do it for all of this. Okay. I'm doing this because I don't want to destroy the plastic, these three holders, because I have no more space. You have to lift it up and push it inward. Down you can release the latch. So I've done this part, and I can put this back and do the other one. Just like brand new, because you don't want to destroy anything. Yeah, they're gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna remove everything because this thing was slide down before. So I'm gonna latch everything, detach all the cables. Detach all the cables, then only you take this out. Next, we're going to test which LED has burned out. The best is to replace everything. Now, this is one strip. One strip consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs. This is a joint. Yeah, this is a joint. And the LEDs are in series. What it means is that if one LED burn, nothing will work because they are in series. If they are in parallel, if this is burned, the rest can still provide you the light, but not because this is in series. So we don't have anything. The whole thing is flashing. Somewhere is burned. So today we're going to test where is the burn. This is one strip, two strip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This strip has got 5 LEDs. This strip has got 4 LEDs. Yeah, this strip has got 4 LEDs. This strip has got 5 LEDs, and this is the joint. Yeah, and now on the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And alternatively, 4, 4. 5, 5, yeah? This is how they do it. Alright? Now, if you look at this wire, it's coming from the other end. It's coming from the back. Yeah? It's coming from here. This is the one that I was testing earlier. So the wire go inside here to the front panel. and starts the series from this first bulb all the way to the end. And it joins to the next row all the way to the end. And it stops here. Yeah, it stops here because you see there are 4 wires coming in. Each wire gives you 2 rows. The second wire comes here and continue the second row of LEDs joins. So if this row has got a burnt LED, this whole entire row will not lit up. But this 2 will continue and until it will burn eventually. So what I want to do now next, test. Okay, now here has got 4 LEDs. The wire comes in, 4 LEDs. The wire comes into the third row, 4 LEDs. So it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. That's why it's alternatively one row, one set and one set. It's like 2 groups, I can call it. How do I test the LED now? The strip always has some connectors for you to do the testing. These are exposed connectors. These are joints. Okay, they are exposed, so you can put a probe there, positive and negative, to test. Yeah, each one has got one little hole there. You can test. But what most important to me right now is to look at the reading, what it says, because I want to find out the voltage per LED. Some LED has got 3 volts. Some LED has got 6 volts. So I want to use the exact voltage so that you don't burn them. If you put a 6 volt into a 3 volt LED, that will burn in few seconds. I'm not getting any reading from this whole strip. So I need to figure out what's going on. This is goes in here. So I do the same for this. This is pretty dim. I don't know why, but it's very dim. Can you see? It's very dim. It has no power. This is very dim. No power.
消息先講到呢度，下節會繼續報導。